How to play games on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about how you can play games on Snapchat. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first step is you'll need to make sure that the app that you have is up to date to the latest version. So update your app if it's not, and then locate your Snapchat and open it up. After you've opened up your Snapchat, the only way you can play games is by using the games filter. And to use your games filter, simply swipe and choose a filter. Then you'll find the games icon right here. Tap on the games icon. And after you do that, you'll find multiple games on your Snapchat. So find a game that you like, and then you can start playing it. And after you do that, you are basically good to go. You can record the game and then send it to a friend. Tap on send to and choose a friend you want to send it to. Then tap on send. And you can do this with other games as well. There you can see multiple games available, and just keep on playing and you should be good to go. And that's how you play games on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.